Welcome to today's recipe on wartime cookery with me, Karen J. Puddyfat. Today we're looking at carrot cookies, which are egg-free. The recipe is from Marguerite Patten's book, We'll Eat Again. Page 83. Is there such a thing as a healthy cookie? Is this it? The carrot cookie. Is this a healthy version? Stay till the end to get the results on that one. The full recipe is on my blog at www.wartimecookery.com.
And before we get going, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and click the notifications bell to get my latest content on this channel. So for this recipe, I've doubled the ingredients to make 9 cookies. You'll need 2 tablespoons of margarine. I use butter as I'm not fond of margarine. 4 tablespoons of sugar plus 1 teaspoon of sugar for sprinkling on the top of the cakes. 8 tablespoons of grated raw carrot. A few drops of vanilla or orange or almond food flavouring or extract. 12 tablespoons of self-raising flour or plain flour. 1 teaspoon of baking powder if you're using plain flour. The method is very simple, so just watch and follow along. First of all, you just peel your carrots and then grate them. Then add your butter and mix the carrots with the butter. Mix the butter with the sugar and then blend it together until it pales in colour. You can soften the butter up in the microwave. Believe it or not, I had done, but it just wasn't blending very well. It was a bit cold still. Just keep stirring until it turns whiter than its usual yellow colour. There you go, you can see the colour difference now. Add your flavourings. I tried all 3 flavourings. Orange was my least favourite, but that's not my most favourite flavouring. The almond was my most favourite. That really was quite nice. Vanilla was just average. So I definitely recommend the almond flavouring. Then you mix in the carrots with the butter and the sugar. and it will go a bit watery, but don't worry too much about that. Weigh out your flour, or measure out your flour in this case, and then you're going to add it to the carrot mixture. You'll see in a minute mine went a bit watery. And then some baking powder if you're using plain flour. Give it a stir. Spoon the mixture into the cases. Then once you've filled the cases, put in the oven. Please note the recipe didn't say an exact temperature, but I found 160 degrees centigrade worked well. The original recipe said for 20 minutes, but I reduced this for 16 minutes to compensate for modern fan ovens, which were not around in the 1940s. Don't forget to sprinkle sugar on the top. I forgot this the first time I made them, and they were much nicer, much better with the sugar on the top. Just added something extra. And there you go, some lovely carrot cookies.
And now for the taste test. It's got quite a nice texture actually. A bit dry looking. Let's have a taste. Oops. Definitely a bit dry. I use the almond flavouring in these. It's very nice. I have tried them before with vanilla, but this is much better with the almond. The flavour's good, but it is a bit dry. A nice bit of English tea to wash it down with. So are these cookies healthy? No, not at all. Butter, sugar, carrots is the only concession to the bit of health in there. So have a go, make them. They taste okay. I might just finish it up though. Cheers.